you are facing the black screen issues while watching YouTube videos, then here are some troubleshooting steps to help resolve this problem. So let's get started. Firstly, simply go to the App Store on your mobile device, then search for the YouTube app and make sure you are using the latest version of the YouTube app. Also, a slow or unstable internet connection can lead to a black screen. Ensure you have a stable connection by testing other websites or apps. Then simply try restarting your device. Restart your phone or tablet to refresh app functions, or simply restart your computer to fix any system-related glitches. If none of these fixes work, uninstall the YouTube app and reinstall it from Play Store or App Store. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the YouTube black screen issue. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.